家风情
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在让我们来收听精彩的客家音乐创作。
Hi, I'm Joseph Lin. It's time for another Hakka song on ICRT. And here comes Tu Paula by iColor, or in Hakka, Bun Lo Siu No. Now, Paula is actually a real person, and her ancestors immigrated to the Caribbean and settled in Jamaica. And back then, her mother was forced to leave her grandfather's side. And so she went on a journey to find her grandfather and her roots. And that's what this song is all about. Let's take a listen to Bun Lo Siu No.
冇按改概念台，你离开念乡，突然放弃做工，按了新界名，有了新界意义，结了新嘅家庭，对环境有新嘅明了。冇人改相爱，你转到念乡，找吩咐去传台，留下你界名，用下你界念头，人家你嘅唔管，唔会挑拨从改冇奈何。有几种改思念，有几法改牵连，成为勾起心度空安心，改遗憾，春季都改时间，春季百改好顺，爱上爱情都已分开，各个自家意。想问那心啊线，路途有几多？为多千山到万水，行一村有一种。想问那心啊线，故乡在哪方？一人开经分法，一分是海穷也光。冇按改概念台，你离开念乡，突然放弃做工，按了新界名，有了新界意义，结了新嘅家庭，对环境有新嘅明了。冇人改相爱，你转到念乡，找吩咐去传台，留下你界名，用下你界念头，人家你嘅唔管，唔会挑拨从改冇奈何。有几种改思念，有几法改牵连。
这首歌是艾克勒的 Bun Lo Siu No， 分罗孝娜。罗孝娜呢是一位华裔客家黑人，他的祖先呢移民到加勒比海地区，然后落脚于牙买加，所以呢里面呢也应用了很多异国氛围的这个鼓声啊。而这首歌呢就是在描述罗孝娜开始她千里寻根之旅，然后最后在遥远的东方与亲人相聚。Well, that's another Hakka song that's got a lot of exotic sounds to it. Hope you liked it. I'm Joseph Lin, and we'll see you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.